Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. I will continue with the make or buy. And now with our second example, with a loss of contribution or opportunity cost. So a firm is considering whether to manufacture or purchase a particular component, ABC. So this would be in batches of 10,000 units and the buying in price would be 6 ringgit and 50 cent. So you want to decide whether you want to manufacture or you want to purchase ABC. Okay, that ABC would be in batches of 10,000 units, and if you want to purchase that, the price per unit would be 6 ringgit and 50 cent. So the marginal cost of manufacturing the component is 4 ringgit and 75 cent per unit. Okay, the purchase price is 6 ringgit and 50, and the manufacturing cost is 4 ringgit and 75 cent per unit. Okay, the component would have to be made on a machine which was currently working at full capacity. So you have a machine that produces ABC. That machine is currently working at full capacity. So if the component was manufactured, it is estimated that the sales of finished product XY, so this is another product, so you need to sacrifice XY. So XY would be reduced by 1,000 units. So XY has a marginal cost of 60 ringgit per unit and sells for 80 ringgit per unit. The question is, should the firm manufacture or purchase component ABC? So I just extract the information from the question. So you have product ABC. You want to decide whether you want to manufacture or purchase ABC. So if the purchase price, if you purchase ABC, that would be 6 ringgit and 50 cent per unit. The marginal cost is 4 ringgit and 75 cent, and you produce ABC in batches of 10,000 units. In doing so, if let's say you manufacture ABC, then you need to sacrifice XY. Why? Because currently you are working at full capacity. Okay, if you are working at full capacity, that means you need to sacrifice another product, that is product XY. So product XY, the purchase price is 80, the marginal cost of XY is 60, and the production will be reduced by 1,000 units. That means XY will be reduced by 1,000 units, if you decide to manufacture ABC. So that is the information from the question. So let's look how are we going to go about doing it, whether you want to manufacture or you want to purchase component ABC. So again, you need to compare if you purchase and if you make. So in this case, if you make, your marginal cost, that is per unit of ABC, would be 4 ringgit and 75 cent. And ABC is produced in batches of 10,000 units. So 4 ringgit and 75 cent times 10,000 units give you 47,500. What about the loss of contribution? That is the opportunity cost. So if you make ABC, then you need to sacrifice XY. So the loss of contribution of XY is, you see here, the purchase price is 80, the marginal cost is 60, so the contribution is 80 minus 60, that gives you 20. So the contribution of XY is 20. So you tend to lose that. So the loss of contribution of 20 ringgit per unit of XY. So times with the 1,000 units of XY that you need to forgo. So that gives you 20 times 1,000 gives you 20,000 ringgit. So this is a relevant cost, because if you make, then you have to incur this particular, you will have this opportunity cost. So the total cost, if you make, will be 47,500 plus your 20,000 gives you 67,500. So this is the cost of making, the relevant cost of making. You compare that with your cost of buying. If you purchase that, okay, so if you purchase that, that will be the cost is 6 ringgit and 50 cent per unit. Okay, so the cost, if you purchase ABC, that will be 6 ringgit and 50 cent, and you purchase 10,000 units, so 6 ringgit and 50 cent times with your 10,000 units, that gives you a total of 65,000. So when you compare, you need to compare the buying price 65,000 if you make the cost is 67,500. So in this case, what's your decision? If you are talking about the cost, then you will take the lowest. So 67,500 compared with your 65,000. So your decision will be to, you will buy the component ABC. Okay, so with that, I thank you.